manifestation works, vision boards work. So I wanted to come in and talk really quickly about the power of manifestation. If you're new here, my name is Shae. I do videos on locks, home decor, healthy eating. Haven't really talked about manifestation, but I had to do a video really quickly. So I definitely believe in manifestation. I've manifested a lot of things in my life. I do vision boards. I read this book called Write It Down, Make It Happen. And just, I've been doing this for years. Did I start? I'm trying to think if I started around the time The Secret came out. You guys remember The Secret? Maybe so. Maybe it was when The Secret came out. But anyway, I've manifested a husband, a house, and just, I don't know, a lot of different things. It's so good when you write things down and then you go back maybe years later, maybe months later, and you can see that what you wrote down actually came to fruition. So I wanted to do this quick video because, sorry guys. I wanted to do this quick video because I was looking at my vision board that I created for 2021, and I'm going to show you it really quickly. So it's in my office. Yes, it's at like my little second desk or whatever. I don't sit over here a lot, but I keep this door open so I see it a lot. All right. So my friends and I had like a little vision board party. It was only like 3 of us, but we put our little vision down. So I was looking at it the other day and I told my husband, oh my God, I screamed. I said, look at my vision board. I said, several things have already come true. So I just wanted to point this out for you. And let me just go over my vision board really, really quickly. You guys can see it. Maybe I should turn this light on. Hold on 1 second. Let me turn this light on here. So, you know, I love home decor. So I got Restoration Hardware up here. I have no idea what this is. Oh, it's a cafe in Paris because I want to go there. Fire pit outside. Lettucey, I love her when her locks were like long and beautiful. Of course, I want that. I want to exercise more. I want more luxury bags. I want to eat healthy. Want a Vitamix. Want to dress very, you know, stylish for work. Also, we needed a new bed. So I wanted a new bed. All right. So out of all those things, guys, I want to tell you. Okay. So out of all those things, I want to tell you which ones have come true. I'm so excited. I looked at it yesterday. Oh. So out of all those things, I want to tell you which ones have come true. I got a Vitamix. Great, we got a bit of an unboxing here. So excited. So I got this a few. Ta-da! Okay. All right. Now, this may not be a big deal to you because you're like, oh, I can just go out and buy a Vitamix. Well, we are on a budget. We're not spending money a lot. You know, Vitamixes cost like $300 plus. Well, I got a Vitamix during the Amazon Prime Day, and it was on sale. So I got my Vitamix. What else has come true? Oh, I'm exercising. I started I do exercise every now and then, but I've been like regular. So that's happening. Also, we got a new bed. And what's so funny is that it looks like what was on my vision board, like almost to a T, except the color is different. Also, what else is on there? Oh, we got a fire pit. Haven't set it up yet in the backyard. It doesn't look exactly like that one, but we got a fire pit. Here is our fire pit. We obviously have to move it outside, but we put it together inside and we'll just move it out. And I know, like I said before, a lot of people might say, well, why don't you just go out and buy those things? Well, we're on a budget, okay? We don't just go out and spend money. We have goals. We're trying to get out of debt, whatever. But I wanted those things when I wrote it out in 2001, or when I made my vision board. I knew I couldn't get it right away, but I'm like, let me write it down. It's going to happen. Or let me put a picture up. It's going to happen. And it has started to happen. I might not get all those things this year, but that's fine. I'm going to get them all eventually. I also have a vision board on my phone. Let me close it here so you guys can see. So I also have a vision thing on my phone that I do every year. So let me see. The thing that has come to fruition on there is my, I just have like some travel, like some money, and also exercising and all that. So like I said, I've been starting to exercise regularly. So just wanted to make that quick video to let you guys know that manifestation works. Vision boards work. If you believe it, it will happen. All right. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below, and I will see you in the next video.